So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, where to get free real-time quotes. So a lot of people who get started are very apprehensive to paying for market data. And so for many people, when they get started, they are trying to find free stock quotes and free option quotes. The reality is that there's a couple places where you can get free quotes out there, and you can just Google search it. There's probably a list of 30 or 40. But what I've even found in doing this just the other day and kind of researching this a little bit for the podcast is that a lot of these places have, tons of ads. They're riddled with, opt-ins and boxes and things to check. Even the CBOE, you have to physically type in the security that you want, then pull up the quotes, then type in potentially the expiration month that you want, then pull up the quote. And at that point, you're already, probably 10 or 15 seconds into actually pulling up a quote on something. How likely is it that that quote is still going to be, relevant in that 15-second time period? So I think probably the easiest answer to where to get free quotes is to just simply open up a brokerage account and just fund it with some money. I don't think you actually have to start trading at many brokerages to actually start accessing the data. But actually having the capacity and the ability to trade and having the account open will allow you to start pulling in the brokerage data from the different exchanges. So you can open up an account at Thinkorswim or Robinhood or Tastyworks or wherever you want to open up an account. And then you can start seeing real data come in. Again, you don't have to make a trade, but that's probably the best place to get real-time quotes on an ongoing basis. A lot of these other places that offer what they say are real quotes come with a lot of stipulations and a lot of strings attached, which really don't make that very useful for somebody who needs real-time quotes. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to play smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.